Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the best dye ideas for your home and garden. In today's video, we will be sharing some amazing dye outdoor toys ideas that you can make for your kids to enjoy in the fresh air. Our first dye outdoor idea is backyard obstacle course. Using all tires, wood planks, and PVC pipes, you can create a fun and challenging course for your kids to run and jump through. Next up we have a die balance beam. Using a long piece of wood and some bricks you can create a simple yet challenging balance beam for your kids to test their skills on. For our third outdoor toy idea we have a giant outdoor Jenga game. Using wooden blocks you can create a larger than life versions of this classic game that is perfect for playing outside on a sunny day. Our fourth idea is a dye waterfall. Using PVC pipes and funnels, you can create a fun and interactive water feature that your kids will love playing with on a hot summer day. Finally, we have a dye backyard zip line. Using a sturdy rope, a pulley, and some basic hardware, you can create a thrilling zip line that will provide hours for fun for your kids. So there you have it. Find 5 amazing Thai outdoor toy ideas that you can make for your kids to enjoy. We hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring, and we would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing dye ideas like this. See you in the next video.